Eggless Caramel Custard or Custard Pudding, a delicious dessert that is prepared out of caramelized sugar and richness of milk. This is an easy pudding that you can prepare at home with very few ingredients. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notifications on new recipes. Let's get started. In a medium flame, heat a non-stick pan to make the caramel. To this, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of sugar. Let the sugar melt. You can use a spoon to bring the sugar along. Once the sugar melts, it doesn't take much time to get the brown color. Now the caramel looks ready. Switch off the flame. Immediately transfer the caramel to any container like this or any silicone molds before it hardens. Even it out all around the base to make a thin layer of caramel. Let it set until we prepare the custard filling. Take a mixing bowl and add 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of sweetened condensed milk, 3/4 cup of plain yogurt, 1½ tablespoon custard powder, ½ teaspoon vanilla essence, and whisk it well for 2 to 3 minutes to remove any lumps. The mixture is ready. Now pour the mixture into the caramel container, filling it to the top. Cover it with foil. Now it's ready to cook in the steam. In a medium flame, heat a saucepan, add water and keep the steamer ready. You can also use a pressure cooker for steaming. Carefully place the bowl inside the saucepan. Make sure you don't let any steam get out. And steam it for about 30 to 35 minutes over medium flame. After 35 minutes, it looks ready and I'm going to check it with a toothpick to make sure it's done. The toothpick looks clean, which means it's done. If not, steam it for a few more minutes. Remove it from the steamer and let it cool down completely at room temperature. Now I'm going to refrigerate it for 2 hours for best results. It's out of the fridge. And now I'm going to slowly run a toothpick or a knife around the edges for easy unmolding. Take a serving plate, carefully flip it down, give it a tap and slowly unmold the container. Now the delicious caramel custard is ready to go for pudding. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up button, like, share and subscribe. Goodbye and stay tuned for more.